Huh?
I don't know. I don't
I
know.
bought these for myself.
Okay. I bought this for myself.
Look, I bought these.
For myself. Nice. Good for you, baby. Good for you. You're insulting Malaysian people. Nice. Huh? Oh, okay. Okay. Good.
You know the Yakult Post?
Yes, I know. Are you that happy about that?
I would go again.
How much is pizza there? Okay. Okay. Sure. Nice.
Huh. You very good.
Huh? Who?
You the chair.
Oh, sorry. Yes. You wear something inside. Just wear a white shirt inside. Nice. Hey, it's a watermelon.
I thought you were going to go.
Oh, you asked me. Nice. You're what? For what? Half one.
You asked her to help me find something in the dark. Then she said, oh,
Jaleesa.
I should have sat in the back. I don't know.
Okay.
Hey, I was nice the whole time.
I didn't say you weren't.
Nice shirt, but couldn't buy it for
Oh.
I show you, it's not dirty at all, man.
What? I didn't say anything. What?
Look! One stick yellow, one stick blue!
Oh, that nice. I like
You like right? It's nice, right? It's $33.
it. Wow, your face. Okay,
I'm
nice.
freaking angry because I can't get it.
Okay, you can. You can.
Oh well.
It's okay. I'm dying.
Die.
Oh, shut up, man. Are you still live streaming?
No, I'm not live streaming, I'm recording.
Oh, okay. This isn't being recorded, right?
Nah.
Oh my I'm gonna stop talking now.
It's fine, I'm missing. Look, I'm missing, look. The recording's gonna be tarnished.
Unless your jokes are here.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
I don't see.
you'll be fine.
I don't feel fine.
Look, I'm missing my combos, look at it.
Are you sure? I can't see.
I am missing my combos, but whether I'm gonna upload this to YouTube or not, it's another thing.
Okay, good.
What do you
Keep
mean
missing.
good?
just keep missing.
Yeah?
Upload it.
Yeah? Yeah, I'll keep missing, alright.
Okay, thanks. It's very man, look at this. Look at this.
Next thing you know, I didn't even click the record button.
Like that.
They will call Shadow Play sucks.
Pat your head lah.
Hey, Pet Society, I like that game. Oh, it's a 3D model.
Yes.
Oh gosh, it's wrong. So,
Look at this is the mine. I'm waiting for my
Why is there a message now? Fuck this. Fuck the vibration.
It is. You know this guy? This is the most annoying
Oh no, I
character.
cursed.
I
Oh no. My viewers, they are all under 18.
there
I
goes the ad
cursed.
revenue, man.
I cursed! No, my money!
Yeah. Gonna get
I
demonetized.
was supposed to earn like 50 cents.
Wait, are you serious?
No, I don't earn a single cent from YouTube.
Me neither, dude. Me neither.
But you have more subscribers than me, I think.
She also
I don't
makes
even
a car, so
upload
there's that.
shit.
I have 12.
Oh, dude, I just. Okay. Is shit cursing?
I don't know.
Shit. I mean, what?
How did I combo this last time? What the fuck?
First you were a young god, now you're not young.
Oh, no, I'm not young. Yeah, man. I need a new map. I need to warm up. What is this?
Maybe you should. So.
What? If I double time a song, I won't get copyrighted. I hope.
But if it's on also isn't it already copyright friendly?
Nah, trust me, I've got like 2 million copyrights.
I have 12 subscribers, I have already got strucken down.
Nah, the copyrights are strikes, but
Oh, you're not gonna strike, I think you're fine.
if I'm getting the strikes, my
Okay.
YouTube's already gone, yeah.
Copyright strike.
Just put the music. Credit the music. You should be fine.
I don't think it works this way, man. Like, before I even upload the video, they already send me the email.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Just change the pitch of the song.
Nah, man, this is why double time is for. But double time is so fast for me to click.
Nightcall lah.
Nightcall, no man.
I got this.
Nightcall, they give me extra beats to click on. Wait, no. They give me extra beats to listen to.
I will off. Right there. I got.
X.
Share. Share. The Oreo. Oh, I don't know who ate that. Man, I don't know where the Oreo went. I think it must be that.
This too fast.
Huh? Well, which one is
Oh,
this one?
no copyright. History Maker, does he have copyright?
Yeah,
Fuck.
I don't know actually.
Let me try. Give me one. One only, not the pair. To be easier.
Well, I can't take it, put it back on.
Is it really bad?
What's this?
It's got
Oh, no.
compression socks.
Oh no, Lolicon backgrounds.
Would be worse.
Bro.
What, bro? Ada.
Oh, Lolicon
Don't say
backgrounds.
that. I'm
Oh
on
no.
Skype.
What? Wait, why is there a rubber band?
How did it get on your leg? Nothing.
I put it on my arm to flip it, it fell out.
Ah. Ouch.
Man, I want that shirt.
What shirt?
The color black one, the yellow one.
What? Why so Taiwan?
I didn't know you were tight. You know about it.
Nice. Nice. I bought myself a fancy.
Oh, they had a lot of things for vegetables.
Like what?
Okay, they have a whole aisle of blanket food. They have that one like in smaller bigger sizes.
Am I wearing it right? Obviously not. It's like isn't that disgusting? Okay, I'm gonna stop talking about this now. I can't get it out.
That's what she said. Wait, no.
Help! Ouch. Here you go. Sorry.
No, slide brick! Oh, fuck.
Language.
Okay. Give me PP. 2 PP.